Kia ora and welcome back to Quinton's Quick Tip Tutorials, and today we're going to do hair color effect. Now we're back to our computer. We got our project up and now we're going to do the coloring it in. First step we got to do is create a new layer. So what we do is just down here at the right bottom corner, we're just going to create a new layer and then change the blending mode to soft light. Now we've done the blending mode to our layer, all we got to do is select our color. So we go to the color picker and then choose our color. I chose green earlier, so I'm just gonna go OK. And then if we just hit this arrow just in the top corner right here, it flips the colors. Sweet. And then I'll change this color to maybe some purple and push OK when you're ready. So we head over to the brush tool, click on that, and then start coloring it in. As you can see now, my hair is changing into purple, and it's nicely done. Sweet, that's one half done. Now we're going to do the other side. So what we're going to do again is create a new layer and change the blending mode to soft light. Cool. Now we've got that color done. We want to switch those colors again, and then start painting the other side. Now we've got the colors on here, we might make a mistake like so, and now we have to clean it up real quick. So we grab our eraser and then just erase all the parts that you don't really want. Cool, that's the green done. Head back over to the purple color and then start erasing on that as well. Have a quick zoom in, and that's what our project's gonna look like. I hope you enjoyed that hair color effect tutorial. If you want to see more, head over to ASK.Q on Facebook.